Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time that I have been away from YouTube due to some reasons, and as promised, today I would like to bring one of the most popular topic to share with you guys. As you can see from the thumbnail of this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I set up my LG V30 to the desktop without using the Samsung DexStation, which you are supposed to spend about $200 just to have this kind of experience. But what I'm about to show you is completely free. Okay guys, so I have already connected my LG V30 onto the desktop. As you can see, this is the overall look of my LG V30 on the desktop. So you can see some applications here on the left, and you can see the Wi-Fi signal here and the battery. And the other side of the screen you can see summary. So this is the LG V300L. This is actually the model of this LG, and you can also see the storage, the two different storage. One is the built-in storage on the V30 and the other one is the external SD card. The next shortcut is the drag and drop files, which you can share directly from the computer onto your AirDroid. URL, clipboard, app, drag and drop and install application right from your computer. What is good about this is you don't have to use the wire to connect from your smartphone to your computer. Later in the video I'm gonna show you exactly how I connect my LG V30 to the desktop. And for your information, it's not going to work as expected as the ones you see from Samsung, the Samsung Dex, which you have to buy for around $200. But for this, it's free. You don't have to buy any extra accessory in order to get it done on the desktop. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into our work. Okay, so first application that you can see is the camera. Let me launch the camera. Okay, so camera is launching. Okay, so now I'm trying to move my phone around. As you can see, it does show the real-time screen, and you can see a couple of functions down here. This is the rotate. Yeah, you can even rotate it before you take a photo. This is the quality of the image. Okay, and front-facing camera and the rear camera, so you can switch. Both of them work. I have tried already. The next one is the flashlight, and this is to stop real-time screen. The next one is to capture the photo. Yeah, take a shot. And next to the shot, you can see one button here. You can click it to save to computer, or you can save it to your phone or tablet. So save it to my computer and then shot from here using my. Okay, this is the shot. So if I minimize the app, you can see it's down here, so you can go back again if you want to. The next thing that I would like to talk about is the call logs. Yeah. So for call log, you can call to any person directly from your computer without having your smartphone nearby, or when someone is trying to call you back, it's real alerting you or ringing right from your computer. So just keep your phone charged and no worry about somebody's calling. The next app is the messages. So yeah, it is not far different from the one available on your smartphone. Just click on the app, it will launch, and you can start new message to someone if you want to. You can type any message and you can click send. The next one is the photos. This is what makes life easier. Because I'm using two different OS systems, my phone is running Android, but my computer that I'm using right now is Mac. So every time that I want to transfer the photos from my Android to the Mac, I need a USB cable, which is very distracting because sometimes I just need one photo to put on my video. Why do I have to find the extra accessory? Okay, so now I can access through all my photo. You see different folders on the left hand side, and on the right hand side your photos. Okay, for example, I need this photo to be added onto my presentation. For example, I can just normally click download or download here. Boom, you can see it's pretty fast, it's amazing, it's handy. And the same thing, if you want to upload a file or the photo, just do it similar. Okay, just choose one and upload, and it's pretty fast. As you can see, it's pretty fast. Okay, so the next thing to talk about is the files. So what is files? So file is like a file manager on your Android. Yeah, this is what it is. And as you can see on the left hand side, you can see SD card. This is the built-in storage on the smartphone, while the external SD is the external SD card. And again, through this kind of functions, you can just drag and drop, or you simply say download and upload file. Okay, just go to download it. You can see there are some files, I have downloaded somewhere. I see. So just select any file that you want to copy from your smartphone. That's all about file. What you can do, contacts. Yeah, I think you might know and understand. It's simple, easy, what contacts is all about. So these are available right on your smartphone. Ringtones, you can even add ringtones to your smartphone through the desktop as well. Just drag and drop or upload file, or you can download some file to listen to if you want to change. Notification, this is phone, this is notification, this is alarm clock. Find phone, yes, it's pretty convenient as well, which you can find your phone when you lost. Okay, I don't want to show it, so waste of time. Music, similar to files. So music is a platform which you can drag and drop, where you can download or upload any songs from your computer or from your smartphone to the computer. Okay, it's your choice. Same as videos here. Okay, select any video that you have. Screenshot, yeah, you can even take a screenshot of your smartphone. It also have the real-time screen as well. As you can see, if I like any part, for example, I want to take a screenshot from this part, just boom, you get a screenshot from here. Okay, so it's easy for me to edit what I want, like best smartphone apps review, so I can edit and do it right from here very quickly, right? And the last thing that I would like to mention here is the apps, other apps that are available on your smartphone. Okay, as you can see here, there are a lot of apps here, but you cannot launch those apps from this icon. This is the negative point of having this, okay, because it is free. Okay, what else can you ask for, right? This is more than enough for me to have this kind of communication between my Android to the Mac or to other PC. If you're using Windows, no problem, okay, because it's going to be exactly the same process. Before ending this video, I would like to show you guys exactly what I did in order to have this desktop setup on the Mac or from the LG to the Mac. Okay guys, so first what you need to do is to go to Play Store and search for AirDroid. Okay, AirDroid. So just download this one, AirDroid Remote Access and Files. Just download it, open, and you are recommended to sign up to have account on this. Okay, and after you have the account sign up, it's time to go to your computer go to any web browser and search for AirDroid. You can search Google first, it's just AirDroid, and find the link with AirDroid.com. Okay, just click on that, scroll down, and for your information, this doesn't only work on the Android devices, it also works on iOS, as you can see. And for the desktop version, you can download it. For the Windows, you can download for Macs. But what I did at the moment is not on the app, but it's on web. Okay, so on web, I prefer on web because I try on the software on Mac, which is not really interesting. The way it looks is not really cool like the one I'm showing you guys at the moment. So go to Android web. For the first stage, just for your information, is your option. You can scan the QR code without signing up or without signing in. It's fine. Just refresh. Okay, it's back. Yeah, and you can even see the summary of your smartphone as well. So I'm running the Android 8.0. Contacts 115, messages, apps, music, videos, and photos. And internal storage and SD card. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.